Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to do a easy and fast, and I'm going to try to do it as affordable as possible, makeup look for those of you that are always like on the go or don't really have enough time to be doing like a bunch of glam. You get me? I am looking horrible because I just woke up, but I gotta get up. I had to do grocery shopping today, so I'm not gonna go all glammed up to do groceries. So that is why I'm like, you know what, let me film a quick and easy, simple makeup look. Before I do get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys, as well as hit the little notification button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, well then welcome back. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Alright, you guys, and we shall get started. So first things first, let me I don't know if I want to tie my hair up. I don't know how I feel about this right now. Let's just do that, I guess. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you guys already know, I always prime, I don't know, sometimes I tend to use a lot of liquid lipsticks. So I have this part dry in the inner part of my lip. So I always go in with my Colourpop lip glossy, which is this guy over here. You can get it from Sephora or any lip scrub that you guys have, but I was going with this one. I don't know why. It tends to help me before my lip products. Now, the other thing I'm gonna do first is my face is already moisturized, so I'm ready to just get things started over here. So I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh primer, which is this guy over here. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our face with this. I am loving this primer, you guys, because I have dry skin, so it tends to really help me out with the dry patches that I have on my skin, and I am loving it. Gives you like that glow as well, you see? Like I have like that little glow on my nose, and you can see it inside. Sorry. Okay, so for foundation, it's the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, which is this one right here. I have the matte and poreless one, which is for normal to oily skin. So yeah, so this one, when you get it, I believe you have like a seal over here, and that is the reason why I tend to go over this one. And it's not a bad foundation at all. It's affordable. So, and it gives you like from a medium, and I believe you can build it up to a full coverage. If you're on a budget and you don't want to spend money on foundation, you can go ahead and just buy that, and it's fine. You know, it gets the job done. Now, is it going to last on your face for a long time? I don't know. Depends how you guys wear your makeup, you know, and the type of skin you guys have. But this one, it stays on my face for quite a while. Not a lot, but, you know, it gets the job done.
I'm looking for my beauty blender. Give me one second, guys. Where did that little guy go?
I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, and again, I'm going to actually use the beauty blender that came in with my Colourpop kit, but you can always use the Real Techniques beauty blender. That one is awesome as well, and I believe there's sometimes in special or whatever the case is, and that is actually a really nice beauty blender. So we're going to go ahead and bounce our foundation to our face. Bounce this all the way down to your neck, your ears. I don't know if I told you guys the shade I'm in. I'm in the 220 Natural Beige. That's my shade for the Fit Me foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So one of my favorite drugstore concealers is the also Maybelline. Is that like my favorite brand or something? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I like this concealer because it's not that heavy on the skin, and it still gives you like a little bit of coverage. You know, like again, like I try to say, like I'm trying to keep this look as natural and as fast as possible. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm in the shade Light Pale. Twist it up like that. As you can see, I'm almost done with it because I usually use this for like, you know, let me see. Products coming out, products are coming out. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So what you're gonna do is that if you don't know how to conceal, you're gonna go under your under eyes, right over here. Okay. You're gonna go on your nose, a little bit over here, a little bit over here, and a little bit right here. Okay. These are like, if you have dark circles or anything like that, you can go ahead and put a lot on your under eye. Oh my god. I'm gonna use the same beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend all that in. I'm also gonna go ahead and use the same beauty blender with the concealer and everything, and I'm just gonna prime my eyelids for a little bit of quick eyeshadow that I'm gonna teach you guys how to do. This concealer literally just blended out smoothly, and that's what you guys want. You don't want a concealer that, you know, you have to be like working so fast to try to blend it out, you know, something that's smooth and easy to blend out. That is why that is like one of my favorite drugstore concealers. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer, and with the bronzer I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this bronzer, you guys, first of all, it smells like paradise. Okay, it smells like the beach. All right, which I love that smell. I'm gonna go in with my little brush over here, and what you want to do is you just want to bronze up the side of your cheekbones right over here. Okay, a little bit over here, and you just want to like look like you just went to the beach, you know. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna work with this over here. With the same bronzer, I'm actually gonna go ahead and use that as my little eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in here in the outer corner right here of my eye, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. You can use it all over your lid. You can just blend it all out, but it's just to give your eye a little dimension and a little look to it. You get me? So we're gonna go ahead and do that with both eyes. With blush in the shade Count Me In from Colourpop. They're usually like $8, you guys. Like, come on. So we're gonna go in with this blush right here, and we're just gonna put those in our good cheekbones. If you guys want to set your face because you guys feel like you guys get oily throughout the day, a good like powder to do that, that's drugstore. It's also the powder from the Fit Me Foundation, and just like rub it down in there, okay, and then just use that right there. You know, you can do that as well. That I do. okay? But I do not just bake. Like, I literally just do that, you know? And it's also good for your makeup doesn't crease, you get me? So you do that down your nose. Everywhere that you pretty much put like your little concealer, you can do that. And then right here on my smile lines, because when I smile, like I have this right here, so it tends to cling there. There, and then you want to like, you know. I'm gonna just use a big brush like this, and I am going to just brush the extra out. Go back to that bronzer because I feel like I lost a little bit of bronzer due to that, and I'm just gonna bronze my face a little bit more. All right, now my favorite part is the highlighter. What the hell? What is this? Two of my favorite highlighters from the drugstore that you can buy both in Ulta. One of them is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, which is this one right here, and my favorite shade is the Golden Flower Crown. It's a nice pretty gold one. They have a nice pink one as well. That one's beautiful as well, but you know, gold usually goes good with me, so I go with this one. Or the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, which is this one right here. You guys, this is such a pretty highlighter because it gives you like that natural glow to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild one so you guys can see how that one performs. So I'm gonna go with this right over here. You see, you guys, so it has like that nice sheer like highlighting to it. It's not blinding, but it has a little something. You get me? So it's not like, you see, so if obviously you can build it up, you know, but if you don't want to look, you know, all glowy and stuff at work, then you know you can use the other one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one on this side so you guys can see how that one works. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on this side. So that one is that. So this is the Essence one. And then we have the Wet n Wild one. So they literally almost perform exactly the same, you guys. Obviously the color is different. But you know, it's always up to you of what you prefer. They're both really good highlighters. You don't have to put highlighter, you know. I just do because I like, you know, the glow. You know, and to finish up a nice look, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I do not have a drugstore one, you guys. So I usually use the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil because it's super quick. I use the pomade as well, but this one is like, if you like the pencil because they're super quick, you just like brush, brush, you're done. You know, you don't have to worry about, you know, shaping it as much because it's more like a quick and simple type of look. Now, as you guys know, I do have really thick eyebrows. Like, these are actually my eyebrows. So, I don't really, like, do much for these guys. What I usually do is I just shape them so it can be more precise, you know. So, I'll go, like, on the bottom. I did that line already. And then I'll go up here and then just go down. That. And then I'll come here and I'll just add like a little filling over here. And that's it. Then I'll do the same thing on this eyebrow. So I'll go over here. And that's it. So what I do now, I get the little brush and I just blend everything together. And I'm in the shade Soft Brown. Forgot to tell you that. I'm in the shade Soft Brown. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and my eyeliner is from NYX, and it's the black eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, going down over here, and then do my eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to go in with the, oh my god, this is like a Maybelline drugstore. Like, honestly, I'm going to go with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. There we go. The Maybelline Sensational mascara. And finally, for a that's it, right? That's my final. Yeah, okay. So we made it finally to the lips. So I don't know if any of you have tried the MAC lipsticks, but one of my favorite all-time shades is the Velvet Teddy shade, and I feel like the Velvet Teddy shade goes with almost every skin tone. Okay, so that's the reason why I chose this one, because I feel like it would really go with any skin tone. So the Velvet Teddy one. Now I did have the lip gloss primer thing that I used earlier today, so it does look like I have gloss on when I really don't. So this is my final look, you guys. It is literally like a quick and simple look. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more blush before I finish this video, because I feel like I probably Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. As you can see, I went as natural as possible. Okay, nothing big on the eyes. It's literally just the bronzer. Okay, and the face looks natural as well. It does not look over like makeup, I guess you guys can say, like too much makeup. Everything is nice and pretty and natural. I'm gonna go in with the setting spray. We're gonna just set everything together. Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was quick and easy and simple. If you guys have any more ideas for future videos that you guys want me to do, go ahead and put that comment down below. I try to make it as affordable and as easy and quick and simple as possible. Okay, most of my stuff were from Maybelline, which was quite funny. I didn't even realize that until I'm here looking at the products and telling you guys what the products are, and I'm reading everything is Maybelline. I was like, damn, Maybelline. Hey, go ahead and like the video down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and hit the little bell button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Down below in the description box, I'm actually going to be putting the other videos that I did before this one. Once again, thank you guys so much for your time. I really, really appreciate it, and have a good day. Bye-bye.